Uh, Hello, good morning everyone. Hi, this is Mr. Al again, and actually, I'm stuck in my room. So sad, but actually, it's okay. And I hope all of you guys are in the good condition at home and ready to learn about art with me, with a handsome and creative and a very clever, smart teacher ever in the whole world. No, okay, I'm just joking. So today assignment for all grade 2 is you have to draw people in action. What is people in action, Mr. R? Actually, you know already about this kind of theme, right? You practice a lot. You draw people with the U shape first, and then you put the ear at the left and the right, and then you put the cracking egg for the hair part and something like that. Okay, but if you think that you don't have any idea about what is people in action is, so I give you an example. Ta-da! Alright, this one is made by Patricia long time ago. This is what we call drawing people in action. So if you can see that this one is a people or a person or maybe a boys and girls are having activity maybe on the hill or maybe inside the garden or something like that, but doesn't matter the places. But our theme for today is drawing people in action like this, you and your family in the garden. Alright, so you understand, or you clear enough? So today's task is about drawing people in action, you and your family in the garden. You means that yourself, you. If Alex means that the boys, you need to draw the boys figure with the nice and handsome faces, and then maybe you with your family, like with your mommy or with your daddy, with your brother or your sister. Even you can put also your pet like dog or cat in your picture. You can include them, or maybe you see that I want to draw me with my grandma, Mr. Al. Is it okay? Yes. You can draw your daddy, your mommy, your sister, your brother, your grandma, your daddy, or with your driver maybe, or with your nanny. Up to you. As long as you become so creative to expose or to express your ideas. Okay? Now you understood, right? Today's lesson is about you drawing people in action. You with your mommy. Okay? Oh, sorry. I mean that you with your family. It can be you with your mommy, with your daddy, and with your all of the family members. Okay? No need to color. No need to color. I just need you to sketch it. Sketch with your pencil, or if you have any marker, you can trace it down again one more time. But if you think that I don't have any marker, Mr. R, okay, just grab some paper and then draw it with your pencil. But I don't have any drawing paper, Mr. R. It's okay. Just get any kind of paper. Like this paper, you can just use the back side and then draw it. Or maybe like, I don't have any paper, Mr. R. Just draw it. Use your creativity to find the media that you can use to draw, to express your me and your family drawing. Alright? Understood? If you don't understand, please call me. I will be online today. And then just ask me any kind of question. Alright, good luck for you. Then bye bye.